Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Man, am I excited about this one. Finally reached 1,000 subscribers. That's been a big goal of mine for a while, and now I'm there thanks to you guys. So I want to say thanks the best way I know how, and that's to give you guys some cool stuff. So I've got a few things over here for a giveaway. So let me just say, to enter in the giveaway, I would like you to be subscribed to the channel because that's what I'm trying to do, is thank the subscribers. And then I'm going to need you to comment down below because that's how I'm going to select who gets it. I'll use a random number generator between the amount of comments I have, and I'll just run through there and randomly select, and whoever it falls on, that's who wins the prize. I've got 4 potential prizes for you guys, so let's go ahead and go through those real quick. So the first prize here is probably the biggest prize. That is this NOCO Boost Plus Ultra Safe Jump Starter. So basically this keeps the charge, and if your battery dies while you're out off-roading or even in a parking lot, all you have to do is hook this up to the battery and it can jump you without needing another vehicle. Now this also has the ability to charge like small USB units, like phones, things like that. So it's good to have with you at all times. So the next prize I have for you is a Bullet Point Mounting Solutions GoPro mount for your vehicle. These things are awesome. Bullet Point's what I've been using as a mounting solution in my Jeep for a while now. I use it for my cell phone and my tablet. Both those things are pretty important and expensive, so you want something that'll definitely hold on to it when you're off-roading and not throw it around. And it's also nice to have something that's mounted nice and rigid that doesn't just kind of bounce when you're hitting bumps for things like your navigation and maps. It's just easier to look at that way. So Bullet Point's what I've been using for that, and it's been awesome. And for you guys, I have their GoPro mount, which is pretty universal and easy to use and has good range of motion. It's kind of on a ball, so you got 360 degrees. You can swivel it around however you want. So this is a handy little thing to have. So the next prize I have for you guys is just a rough country steering stabilizer. It's just nice to have. If you got an old worn out steering stabilizer, this will kind of dampen all that bouncing around when you're driving. All right guys, and the next thing I have for you are these JKS quick disconnect sway bar links. They were on my Jeep for about 2 years and they worked great. I just upgraded to a sway lock sway bar, so I no longer need these. I figured that would be a great gift for one of you who loves to off-road. Quick disconnects saves you a lot of time and makes your Jeep a lot more capable off-road. So now with the prizes out of the way, I just want to again thank you guys, because when I made this channel, I never really expected it to become what it is. At first, it was just something I was like, how do I edit a video? So I did it, and then I had a bunch of video on my computer and it was eating up my hard drive space, so I just wanted somewhere to put it. And then I got some interest from that, and I got more into the Jeeping and off-roading community. So I started taking it a little more seriously and kind of putting out helpful videos that I did to my Jeep that I thought could maybe help someone else. And then that got even more traction, and suddenly I was just kind of doing it a lot more often, and people started subscribing, and then it kind of became a goal of mine to make it to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm so happy to be there. I mean, it's really become a big part of me. I don't know why. It was never intended to be this, but I put a lot of time and effort into it now, and it just feels like something I can be proud of. So thanks so much, guys, for following along. The only other thing I want to toss in there is I want to kind of keep this to kind of the continental United States here. I don't want to try and ship this stuff across the world. I don't even know if my audience is that big that it leaves the United States, but again, I do have to pay to ship all this, so I just want to kind of keep it a little more local and easy to ship. So I'll give the video a couple weeks to get comments on it, and then I'll select the winners and let them know by replying to the comments. And I'll probably just have you guys reach out to me through my Instagram account, because you can actually message each other that way, and then we'll figure out how to get these mailed out to you. So again, thanks guys. See you on the next one.